Hello respectable audience, look this question. This question is looking very simple because 6 minus 3 times 6 minus 3 is very simple. 6 minus 3 is 3 times 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 times 3 gives us 9. 9 is our answer, but remember that 9 is correct answer. So if 9 is correct, then what will be the correct answer? Most people argue that 9 is correct because their method is just multiplying 3 and 3. Here 6 minus 3 they will get 3, and here is also 6 minus 3 they will get 3. 3 times 3 they will get 9, and they are satisfied that 9 is correct answer, but 9 is not correct answer. Let us handle this question carefully. According to different people, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 times 6 minus 3 equals 3. After multiplication they will get 9, but I have told you that 9 is not correct answer. So we have to handle this question carefully. According to some order of operation, we must have to respect order of operation to get this question correctly. Now the correct order of operation for this question is Pemdas. P stands for parenthesis, which is a bracket. E is power, in this way that 2 cube or 2 square, and multiplication, you are familiar with multiplication. The third place is of multiplication, and division will be at fourth place, then addition, and finally at last we will have subtraction. So parenthesis in this question is absent. Exponent mean in this question we don't have any power or square or cubic form. So the first step is multiplication. Here you are looking multiplication. So this will be our first step, which will become minus 18. And here is minus 3, and in beginning we have 6. Now by moving from left to right, 6 minus 18 gives us minus 12, and here is minus 3, which will be solved to get minus 15. So minus 15 will be correct answer for this Pemdas based activity. Thank you for your support.